Roswell Flight Test Crew here at CES 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm talking to our good friend Randall Warnas at FLIR. How you doing, Randall?
Patrick, I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Oh, absolutely. Glad to do it. And especially because you guys have got a brand new product you're working on here with DJI. What is it?
Yeah, so back in December we launched the Mavic 2 Dual with DJI. It basically features our Lepton core thermal imager within the plug-and-play version of the Mavic 2 Enterprise.
So talk me through this little camera we've got here on a 3-axis gimbal.
Right, so this is a 160 by 120 thermal imager along with a high-resolution RGB camera so that you can switch back and forth in flight without having to change cameras. You also have things like MSX, which is going to blend the images together, or see just in thermal.
Now, is this a radiometric camera?
Yeah, so it's all radiometric, which means that you can see the temperature of every pixel within the image for post-processing, or during the flight, you can basically tap on the screen and see what temperature a subject is.
Very cool. So now, what do you see as being the use case for this drone?
So I think that this is for quick deployment, low cost, largely for public safety. I think that they want to be able to put a unit like this in every squad car, but there's also opportunities like for doing roof inspection or just very basic surveillance that could be done as well.
And so what's this bad boy cost and when's it going to be available?
So we're looking at around $2,699 for the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. And I think that they're shipping any time now. So we're looking in the month of January, these will be on the streets.
Alrighty. So be looking for this bad boy for all of your low-cost thermal imaging aerial solutions.
Yes, sir.
And watch that gimbal go. Well, Randall, thanks so much.
Thanks, Patrick.
All right, and from CES 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again, Randall.
Yeah, of course.